Have you ever thought about the immense challenge faced by the Ministry of Education in Libya? Picture this: the task of ensuring every child, regardless of where they live, has equitable access to quality education. This not only involves creating an effective curriculum, but also strategically selecting school sites that are accessible, safe, and convenient for all students. Enter the proposed solution: a school site selection dashboard powered by ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online, and artificial intelligence. A tool designed to transform the way the Ministry of Education identifies and evaluates potential school sites. Imagine a tool that seamlessly integrates data from various sources, such as population density, transportation networks, and the locations of essential services like hospitals, parks, and markets. Picture a dashboard that uses AI algorithms to analyze this wealth of data and identify potential school sites that tick all the right boxes: high population density, accessible transportation, proximity to essential services, adequate infrastructure, and a safe environment. Visualize a user-friendly interface that presents all this information through interactive maps, charts, and graphs. A tool that not only identifies potential school sites, but also visualizes the data, making it easy for decision-makers to understand and act upon. This isn't just about picking a location. It's about making data-driven decisions that can bridge the gap in educational access. It's about optimizing resource allocation for school construction and renovation projects. It's about supporting long-term planning by identifying areas with future population growth and demand for new schools. This school site selection dashboard takes the guesswork out of the equation and provides the Ministry of Education with the insights they need to make informed decisions. By leveraging the power of ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online, and artificial intelligence, we can ensure equitable access to quality education for all children in Libya. But this is just the beginning. By involving local communities in the school site selection process, we can ensure the chosen locations align with their needs and preferences. This is not just about building schools, it's about building a future where every child has the opportunity to learn and grow. In conclusion, the school site selection dashboard, powered by ArcGIS Pro, ArcGIS Online, and AI, is more than a tool. It's a solution that can revolutionize the way the Ministry of Education in Libya selects school sites and, ultimately, improve access to quality education for all children across the country.